Hey, welcome to my How to Achieve Financial Freedom review. Today, I'm going to walk you through this powerful guide that shows you exactly how to escape the 9 to 5 grind and build real, sustainable income streams. And here's the exciting part. You don't need a huge budget, prior experience, or technical skills. This ebook gives you a step-by-step roadmap to financial independence. Make sure to stick around because I'll also break down what's inside, who this is for, and how you can start implementing these strategies today. If you're new here, welcome. I've been in affiliate marketing and online business for over 6 years, helping people find the best tools and strategies to make money online. If that's something you're interested in, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. And here's a special treat. If you grab How to Achieve Financial Freedom through my link below, you'll also get exclusive bonuses designed to help you get even faster results. So, what is How to Achieve Financial Freedom? How to Achieve Financial Freedom. The Roadmap to Success is a comprehensive guide that walks you through the exact steps to break free from financial struggles and build long-term wealth. It's designed for anyone who wants to create multiple income streams, even if you're starting from scratch. Leverage digital marketing, freelancing, or e-commerce for sustainable growth. Discover passive income opportunities through investments, automation, and real estate. And the best part, you don't need a massive investment to get started, just the right roadmap and the willingness to take action. Standout features that caught my eye. What makes this ebook different from all the generic make money online guides out there? Here are some standout features. Checkmark proven business models. Learn exactly what works in today's digital economy. Step-by-step strategies. No fluff, just actionable steps you can follow. Multiple income streams. Discover how to diversify your earnings for stability. Passive income mastery. Learn how to automate your money flow for true freedom. This isn't just theory. It's a practical roadmap used by successful entrepreneurs worldwide. How it works? Super simple. So how does this guide actually help you achieve financial independence? 1. Mindset shift. Learn how to think like a successful entrepreneur. 2. Choosing the right business model. Find the best income stream for you. 3. Monetization strategies. How to make money in multiple ways. 4. Scaling and automation. Set up passive income that grows over time. 5. Long-term wealth building. Investing, real estate, and financial security. Everything is structured for beginners and packed with real-world strategies to help you start making money as soon as possible.
Are you ready to take control of your financial future? In just a few minutes, I'm going to introduce you to a game changer. Imagine waking up each day with the confidence that your finances are working for you. No more worrying about bills or the next paycheck. Sounds too good to be true? It's not, and you can get there faster than you think. Introducing How to Achieve Financial Freedom, the Roadmap to Success, your ultimate guide to creating a secure, wealth-building strategy that'll set you on the path to independence. Inside this ebook, you'll uncover actionable steps, proven strategies, and expert advice that will help you make smarter financial decisions, grow your wealth, and ultimately, live a life of freedom. Here's the best part. Right now, you can unlock the secrets to achieving financial independence with our limited time offer. Take that first step toward financial freedom today. Don't wait. Your roadmap starts now. Get the ebook now and start building the life you've always dreamed of. The road to success is waiting, and it starts with a single click.
What I love about this ebook. Here's what I really love about How to Achieve Financial Freedom. Perfect for beginners. No tech skills or huge investment needed. Covers multiple business models. Find what works best for you. Focuses on real, sustainable strategies, not get-rich-quick hype. Affordable and high value. Get a proven blueprint for just $19. What could be better? Now this isn't a magic bullet. You still have to put in the work. If you're expecting overnight success with zero effort, this isn't for you. But if you're willing to take action, This ebook gives you all the tools you need to build a real income online. Final verdict: should you get it? If you're serious about escaping the 9 to 5, making money online, and creating a financially secure future, then How to Achieve Financial Freedom is a no-brainer. And right now, you can grab it for just $19 instead of $50. Limited time offer. Save $31 today. And remember, it's backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. Exclusive bonuses, only through my link. And before you go, I've got some special bonuses that you'll only get when you buy through my link below. Bonus number 1, exclusive guide, helps you implement these strategies faster. Bonus number 2, private training, learn how to scale your online income. Bonus number 3, done for you templates, save time and start immediately. But these bonuses are only available for a limited time, so grab them before they're gone. Final call to action. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, click the link below, grab your copy, and start your journey to financial freedom today. And if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews on the best ways to make money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.